Hi everybody, I'm going to read a new book today and this is called Birds. I like birds. Do you like birds? I like how they fly, they enjoy in the sky. And this book is by Kevin Henkes, illustrated by Laura Dronsek. Okay, so our parents and our children. In the morning, I hear birds singing through the open window. See? Birds can be yellow, birds can be blue or brown or red or even green, I think. Look at this, all these colorful birds. Sometimes they are so black that you can't see, or any size in between. Big, big, small, smaller, bigger. Once I saw 7 birds on the telephone wire. They didn't move, and they didn't move. I saw it before many times, and they didn't move. I looked away for just a second, and oh, they're gone. And they were gone. Look at that. If birds made marks with their tail feathers when they flew, think what the sky would look like. Oh, I can't imagine. There are so many birds flying in the sky. Oh my God, we don't want the mark because of their wings and feathers. If clouds were birds, the sky would look like this. Ooh, look at that. I hope you can see. Or this. Sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. Oh yeah, look at that. This is a tree and then you can see the bird. And it looks like a one red leaf left over. If there are lots of birds in one tree and they all fly away, at the same time, it looks like the tree yelled. Chirps, and then flew away. Like that. You can make your own voice. I was making my own one. If I were a bird, I'd ask where all the other birds go. When it's stormy and they can't get home to their nests. I like to pretend I'm a bird. I can't really fly, but I can do this. What she's doing, like opening her arms and she's flying. I can sing like a bird. Yes, you can sing. Oh, the end. So, what did you learn from this book? We saw different kinds of birds and has different colors, and they are on the wire, on the trees, and it's so much fun to watch birds with all sizes, small, bigger, right? And they are so beautiful. And if you want to be like a bird, you can pretend to fly in the sky and sing a song. It's so wonderful having nature and birds. Thank you so much reading this book with me. I will see you next time. Bye.